This 3-fan Thermaltake CT140 EX ARGB pack delivers strong cooling performance with a wide pulse width modulation speed range that keeps both case and radiator temperatures in check. The reversed blade layout is ideal for modern glass-fronted builds because it pushes air in the opposite direction while still showing off the lighting on the visible side. Magnetic daisy chaining makes installation cleaner and faster by reducing the number of separate cables you need to route behind the motherboard tray. Airflow and static pressure are high enough for dense radiators or restrictive front panels, yet the hydraulic bearing and rubber dampers keep noise pleasantly controlled for a gaming system. Each fan includes multiple addressable lighting zones that sync with major motherboard software, so you can match colors and effects across the entire system without an extra controller. The solid frame, long-rated service life, and included cables make this kit a dependable choice if you want a single purchase to handle a full-sized intake or exhaust setup.